Yo, hello and welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is Viggy en ik maak video's.
Mostly of Yiddish.
Wenn man fängt an der handige Video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing, was helpt mir in the channel out tremendously, so thank you for that. Ook dat ik kan weer naar channel member. That would be greatly appreciated. Ze helpt out the channel. Ook het van mij gaat wat willen zoeken, dat is niet financial advice, so please be very careful. The market geht nicht wie sie die heißt, ich krieg wie viel die barkst. Verkehrt. So please, kijk eens wie ein Kind, wo spielt, oder ein Adult, wo spielt mit Lego. Und ich weiß nicht, was es ist. So, alright. I'm just saying, wenn ich stehe, du not financial advice, so please. Will ich reden, Viggy gesucht, Viggy gemacht, Viggy gelacht? Nothing. Alright, let's jump right into it. Sam. Hello.
Hello and welcome.
Good morning, Yankee T. Good morning. What's going on? Go for the likes. So, was ich sehe auf der neue Hand in der Free. Trump's new tariffs. Het opgelegt 25% of the auto industry from March 26 for the EU. Any car was komt daaruit. In the US, darf man zo'n 25 cents. 25%. It's time to make America great again, zoekt ze. Israel just an overall protest. The update for the wildfires in South Korea, the death toll in Korea rose to 18 overnight. Wow. Crazy. Yossi Bravid, good morning. Oh, we got a new guy, Yossi Bravid. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Wie checks die aan, Yossi? Brooklyn. Good morning. How you doing? Welcome. I am running on a low. Yossi Braver Monroe, nice. Ich go for around check. Nice to see. Also ich habe schon gegeben, dass ich sehr liking. Sie geht eine lange, riesige Weg. Great podcast yesterday. Thank you, Yossi. So heißt das Schmies. Ich weiß nicht, so das. Es ist mehr als Schmies. Es ist nicht kein Podcast, aber ich verstehe. I'm with you on that one. Try zu machen sicher, dass ich suche, dass Schmies ist nicht ein Podcast. Sometimes words do matter. Yes, no, it's okay. But that was just around drillen in them keppel, you know. Jeder eine rief sich an, wie sie heißt. It's a große difference. The idea of a podcast is gemeint amol Schmies. Because any type of interview given of TV, of a channel. Who's got full with my camera? That's it. Ein Sek. Some of the camera issues. Camera issues. Hold on. Wo ist geschehen mit der Kamera? I'm gonna change a bisschen to the angle. Bude hier de angle. Bude hier de angle. 1 second. So yeah, ich halte mitten aufsetzen durch die Kamera. Sam Zog, 3K before Pesach. It's still possible, definitely. But the goal is schon geworden gereached. All right, we got the old camera back. Am I good? We're back in business. Schwitz. Now you have to be greedy. Nicht echt eine Sache, was ich weiß, was mir ist. Greedy nicht mal Sache. Shia.
Good morning.
Nope, not nicht gechanged room. Just the camera decided nicht zu arbeiten for a few minutes. I was like, what do you mean? Saturday will be 80? Nice. Can't wait. Actually, I feel a bisschen wie crawling out of my skin over here. Also heißt es doch. Why? Good morning, why? Hello and welcome. Shine this is in. Why? How was your morning? Turn on the AC? No, it's just a momentary situation. It's just a momentary. Ich bin echt gegangen geschlafen spät, wegen Arbeit. Ich hatte einen Gig. So haben wir noch aufgestanden spät. Und ich habe gedacht, I had to play catch-up. Die ganze Zeit früh, I had to play catch-up. There was nothing I could do. 9:09, 21 minutes, die Market open. Nicht vergessen, das ist nicht kein Financial Advice. So please. Ich will sie. Die heißt schwarz oder weiß. Der Market hat alles weggenommen. Sally.
Good morning.
Whoop. Wrong button. Good morning, Sally. Sometimes there's nothing you can do. Well, that is doing. They're nothing. How are you? Sally slept like S dot dot dot. I don't know how to spell Sally. Wo ist das? I'm joking, I know how to spell. I slept like sheep last night. I watched the Schmies with you guys, and the wheels kept turning. Oy vey. Yeah, you gotta know how to turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. 9:10. Everybody grab your pen. No more schmiesen before bed. Exactly. You can't have a productive conversation before bed. I'm glad you call it productive. Buy a cold pillow? Meaning, who's made us cold pillow? Jim. Jim with a J. How you doing? Good morning. Like the schmoes with Dovet and Nochi. Dovet and Nochi? You mean Hershey and Nochi? You mean Hershey and Nochi? The größte Male von Jensen gewesen als Nochi hat das geedit. Meaning to say is I didn't have to go through editing and all that 9 yards. So it was a bit easier. Oh, Sam, zoek's git. Man steht auf und man sieht der Seiger noch like 2 Seiger. Man kennt sie gar nicht schlafen. Tavas machst du was die Beine, ha? Sie sind in der Beine. They call you Chili Bone? You wish, Sally, that someone called you Chili Bones, okay? I'm joking. We're all gonna call you Chili Bones. Sally, please prepare yourself. Peggy's coming up. This will be fun. Yes, ich habe gesehen, einer hat mir geschickt the short as Peggy gewesen auf Nachi. I gotta say, the lineup is crazy. Like I have a question to you. Maybe not. I'm not saying that is the case that it gets. It's just to have such a lineup. Please prepare a lot of vodka. Sally's like, honey, we're going down to the cellar. We're taking out the 1950 stuff. 1950? Let's go to the 1930s. Let's go. We're gonna listen to Peggy. Over 18 alert. Yes, of course. Anybody under 18 do not watch. At least my channel. Like, get off. The problem is you're over it. You just made it, huh? You're like tippy-toeing before going up on a roller coaster ride. 9:14. 16 minutes in market open. Jim 80 had ook at 8 inside, so and the 0 is not that far. So 1880, same difference. Max Spitz. Good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Schijn dit ze zijn doen in de free. Wieso gewinnt danach? Von dem gedreide Kischen. Zieht der kalte Saat? Sam, we might have a pillow turner. We might have a pillow turner. Come on, check it out. I have the same hairstyle like Viggy. Oh, nice. This will be the copycat Viggy vibes, huh? Joking. Ist du mit, Shir, I got a gig now. A gig, a G-I-G. A giggle. Alam Mizbayach. Ooh, not bad. The weather in this weather with your morning coffee, what could be better? Overall, Max, agree with me. I walked on the road. I walk in the free, like the I have a longer dead end wie ich wohne. So ich walk up mit meinem Coffee. But was geht am besser? 2 suitcases ungefüllt mit Cash. Max, I'm just being funny. But yeah, so that chilly weather, but under the sun is amazing. Heilige Fire brennt. Jim, what do you mean Chabad women don't do upshin? What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Shia, zeggen meine Wörter wie sich hier mich zu sehen. Von a regular human being, Shia. Please. But at this age, definitely come rüber, sag hallo. Actually, einer ist nicht ein Ziggy gekommen zu mir. Und ich gebe eine schreit Viggy. Und ich just meint mir. Und kommt sie, oh, a ganze Sache ist a Fan und das. Ich bin gerne ganzen, like, was ist das für mir? Ich weiß, dass ich bin Viggy, but like, ich habe auch gewartet für den famous Mensch behind me. Like, let's go. Du mit Ikla, Alam is Baya. But das ist mir. Obviously, ich bin nicht busy. Ich bin auf der Phone oder ich rede zu einem. Wieso kann? Jim, der Uncut, ja? Boss Nation. Guten Sie Morgen. Fire. Ah, der Nigen. GGG morning. Welcome. Typical Hasidic mindset. Sally, you already said that. This is on the sky, Shia. You look totally different with or without the sunglasses. That is my disguise. I'm like Superman in disguise. Superman in disguise. SG. Good morning. How you doing? Yellow and welcome. Scheint dir zu sehen. Sind ich du Campaign? Sind wir nicht spielen in dem Game? Sind wir sagen, du bequem? Sind wir fuhren auf der Train? Oh, thank you, Max. You mean to say, Mam Schmies mit Matti Summit. One day I'll have to give up. Or everybody's gonna pick it up. Asa Shmis. And now people are like, what's the chilik? Trust me, think about it. Wenn man so Podcast, was kommt daran in den Kopf? Pre-existing notions. Sachen, wo die jenem Podcast, jenem this, jenem Setup, wo der Regel sogar an a Shmis, you're okay with everything. You know what I mean? Like, oh, it's a Shmis. I got it. Viggy does not schlep. Brooklyn, Izzy oder Viggy? So yes, wenn ich differentiate between Podcast and Schmies. Schmies bin ich in charge, Podcast darf ich tun, was jeder einer will, you know. No, ich würde sagen, Brooklyn ist mein Setup. So just my setup. And once weet een beetje schöner de Wetter, in nog dat darf kaufen mic stands en Sachen so halten. Shia Friedman. Good morning. Hello and welcome. Ich kann euch machen dann zu free Coffee mit Viggy. I appreciate it. Simmentoy 9:22 8 Minuten bis het 70 over de zeeuw. Ja, ik heb gemaakt. Dit is geen Thai. Het is lemon met ik ben ausgelaufen van Thai. Inaye Feliciosi. Tididan la la. So yeah. Pa 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 pa. The funny we hebben gemaakt. The secrets behind the mic channel. And I gewinnt sach mehr camera shy. Ich kann nicht Jesus reden gehirig. And they Motti hat mamish carried the conversation. He was like a godsend, as they say. Bam, bam, bam. So that's why I was happy to have him back. Ba, 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 da, ba. By the way, I will terugbrengen the idea of secrets behind the mic on the Viggy Vibe channel. Meaning to say, Huben Schmies mit Menschen, wo their face and voice are disguised just for the Schmies. Sally, isn't that the whole point of a rain check? You will find out. And isn't the idea of a rain check the idea? $9:24. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Sally. Good question. Brooklyn got to yes. Ja, kleiner teddy bear. Be the bunny wabbit. You know, the second you say wabbit, it's way more cuter. The rabbit. Rabbit is more like a rigid rabbit. But just wabbit. Anabana. Here's another question. I'm debating as to whether or not I should buy a smoker for Pesach. Are you looking to add some stress in your life, Sally? I think the smoked meat will bring a lot of simcha. Huh? But this is just a pre-Pesach spiral. I kind of have to say it kind of looks like a spiral. You went from it's going to be pressure to where can we add more pressure? Wie kan man like no? That's kind of better. Talk. Somebody's going to be there and be like, why don't you have smoked meat? Damn, Viggy. Had to talk her off the ledge. We could have had smoked meat here. Ah, this selfish guy. Sam. Sam, ich bin mehr realistic auf der point, but good one. Sam hat geschrieben, Viggy does not recommend buying anything that costs money. Well, my arbeit schwer für das Geld, Sam. At least I know I do. So, wenn ich sehe, einer hat schon ja, und spent es auf Stissem, I'm like, what are you doing? What are you doing to yourself? And especially wenn man weiß, dass alles ist gal achäuse, meaning to say, jetzt machst du morgen nicht. Schier kommt daran klar. Viggy, if, okay, ich liebe the if, you find a 9/5 J.O.B. You might have more. Ja, but damals reward man sich mehr. And then I lose my day. And ich red strictly for me. There's nothing wrong with a J.O.B. Nothing wrong with a J.O.B. Ich red for my experience. How was your gig yesterday, Jim Frey? It was nice. It was good. Longer than I thought. I thought I'm gonna be done like 5 o'clock. I had a whole plan of Wednesday was planned the Matas sheet. And ook door my hiking camping gear. That was scheduled on Wednesday and it got pushed off because I got a gig and I thought I'm gonna be home at 5. But nope, I was home much later. No complaints. I'm just saying. Before Pesach is the most stressful time in the Yiddish families. I decided 15 years ago that I go away for Pesach and that's my vacation for the year. Nice. Good for you. So Brooklyn, dit was definitely in the show said monasteries. Joking. Maybe open up a business or a store. Sure. Wenn ich weiß, wo sie öffnen wollte, ich schon geöffnet. You know what I mean? Ich habe schon gehabt ein Business. Ich bin nicht ein Businessman. So. Oder habe ich noch getroffen? The Business. Ich wusste es wrong mit öffnen. Ich habe geöffnet ein Store. Das heißt, YouTube ist der Mall und ich habe ein Store in dem Mall. Mein Store heißt Viggy Vibes. Kosher Starbucks in Monroe or Williamsburg. Heranbrengen naar Trent, coffee shops in Monroe. Izzy. Good morning, Izzy. 9:29, 1 minute in market open. Gesehen, ich habe es Major Movers. Ik neem een relaxed hand, dat is nog meer die the juiceable. Die have place in his station wagon for Viggy. Jim, good one. Izzy, how are you? How's your morning? En zijn maar 4 seconds weg bis de market effent auf. So please. Niet schappen de goldene endlich. 1984 Brewing. Sally zoekt Sari her internet got cut out. Izzy is great. Excellent. Ah, Izzy comes in and your internet gets checked. Huh? Ba, ba. Ba-di-da-ba-da-da-da-da. Sam, du a trendline arop. But das ist nicht mal Strategy. So gehe ich heran. Ben. Good morning, Ben. Can we check the heran? Ben, ich habe schon gerät einmal. Du sag mir den Single Name und ich denke nicht, weil du hast gesagt, Mensch, es kann heißen Ben. Ben, jetzt haben wir sich schon... Ah, okay. Just say Houston. Ben from Houston. Houston, we do not have a problem. I repeat, Houston, we do not have a problem. All right? Your go for lunch. It's Ben's first time. Everybody say what? No, Ben is du gewesen. Ben from Houston. Well, I'm sorry, Ben. You know, so du hast auch Ben's. Meaning to say is morgen kann reinkommen an und sagt Ben ziehen. Rief sich Ben auf the Internet. Taking long on Tesla. SB. How you doing? Good morning. And he's not schloim as I. Good one, Shia. By the way, colorful shorts. Seht me schon nicht. And alles geht's. Hope they're doing all right. I hope they're doing okay. Bonim lamo koim. Bonim lamo koim. Bevor du durch Texas bin mit der Plane, und man kijkt daarop, man weiß von den Kindern. Siehst du die ganze Texas, du? Schläume sein, wollen du. Maybe they left because they wanna see if their presents are missed. Which they are. Their presents are missed. Alles geht, du wird. Colorful shorts. Have you ever been to Woodridge? Yeah. من دخييت. Hershey. Good morning, good morning. Oh, Viggy is Jewish? What's the day? Oh. You use bread in your smoker? Brooklyn, what don't I know? What don't I know? Not that I know anything about smoking, but Mijn goed persoon. I think I have decided I've been as preoccupied. Just want to make sure as I've been in and out before any trouble. Before any trouble. So give me a minute. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Okay. Viggy, focus, 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 focus. Sorry, Gebra, dat just focus and do a minute. Ben ich echt sorry, you know what I'm saying. Maleches koyanim, maleches koyanim. Viachtu tiyelim. Maleches koyanim, maleches koyanim, vigoi kudosh, goi kudosh, ayelike vol. Goi echad, an einzige vol. BM, focus. Good morning, good morning. Woof. WOOF. Pa 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 da pa 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 da pa. Da 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 da. Wow, nicht mitgehalten mit der Chat, Gebra. Nicht mitgehalten mit der Chat. Also ich bin ein spoiled brat. Na, aber noch ein bisschen doch. Jim, ich sehe das geschrieben. Sie Hershey. I like your schmooze with Viggy. Shkoyach. I really do appreciate them, and it's the word schmissen. The heilige Fall. A Bota flag. A Bota flag. Where you fall, then I ain't see you fall. Nachman. Good morning, Nachman. Thank you so much for Duzan. By the way, sadly, thank you for saying good morning for people. I really do appreciate it. They're like the co-pilot. If the pilot is busy with the wings, you take care of the passengers. I don't want to be losing. I don't want to be losing. Females. Maar warf daar those toasters? No, you sell everything, you put it into the cell cabinet. Wie warf daar those toasters? Sally, I worry for you. Ben, welke goeset bist dat, meaning to say? Lubavitch? By the way, does the Lubavitch, zij kijken ze gewoon wie Hasidisch? So that was my question, Ben. Do the Lubavitch kijken ze gewoon wie geherig Hasidisch in Galat? Oder zij kijken sie gewoon Hasidisch en andere nicht? Oder... Hoe schon für Satmerer, die erste Mal wird geworden, als Lubavitch ist auch ein Hasidus, seine Hasidam. Geht er, nah, you kidding. You kidding? You joking. Chabad Litvax? Litvax mit Weinalkohol, mit Alkohol herangemischt, ne? Hummelberg is so Lubavitch? You mean zemischt? Hello. I was Bobov. Oi, wei. Told ya. Good morning. So, die bist gegangen nur dorten? We were one when I was growing up. Yeah, it makes sense. Sally, no, he just copy-pasted from the Tillum. Ben is 48, Izzy is 45. 45 it is. So the next president, huh? 48. He definitely not. Oh, wow. Ben, if I say the week was this geschrieben. Like I'm not Bobov anymore, but if I have to be, if somebody puts a gun, and if you say I'm 48, you better pull that trigger. Don't identify me with those losers, huh? Easy. I'm not Bobov. Okay. I'm putting the gun back into the holster. Putting it back into the holster. It's just so sad I'm a schluckzich and Azami level. It's just sad. Izzy, do you have any luck sometimes? Sally. Leiby Schaffer. Izzy, you gotta remove that 1 star now. No, Brooklyn, Izzy didn't lose again. He just didn't win. Not winning is not losing. It's just not winning. Dat we calling in the back end in Google. Be like, what's wrong with Izzy's account? Oh, let me check that right out. Oh my God, sir. He's on the no-fly zone. But thank you, Sally, for trying. I really do appreciate. Someone like me. I was waiting for the gifted membership and it came. Sam. You're rubbing it in, huh? Winning like a champion. I don't identify she anymore. Guy for the Yankees. The Bruche is coming. Yep. I think sometimes I buy a lottery. I buy, let's say, the Powerball, and then I buy like a little scratch off next to it, because all the bad luck should go into the scratch off. I shouldn't win the scratch off. I should win the Powerball. YG, it is a brand new day. Thank you for coming here and saying, hey, good morning, YG. Like never before. Exactly. It's like we're having a good score. We're going to be hitting the floor. Run it. That's so Yiddish. Well, that's the way how I thought about it, to be quite honest. Papa. Izzy, you gotta say bye to those friends, Izzy. I'm joking. What's up with the gifts? We're trying to give it to Izzy. It's charming. Well, for good or for bad, it is what it is. Borech Hashem, am avoyrach le'olam v'ueh. YG. That gift, wie ist der YG? The gift is key to life itself. Oh, I wasn't even going there. Your Rebbe? Wem ist er? Die Reds van Babouf. Wie is de arbeit, YG? A member can gift a membership, but man can choose and say Weyman. And we were trying to get it to Izzy. And jeder bekommt es, hits Izzy. Like literally Yedam. Like someone that doesn't, like a Spanish guy that doesn't even speak Yiddish or anything. He gets it. Carlos. You know, my 1600th subscriber was my French cleaning lady. She saw me on the computer. She was like, "What do you do?" So I showed her what to do, and she hit the subscribe button. Could you imagine she gets it? You don't need to kasher a smoker. Sadly, things don't start off as chumetz. Meat is not chumetz. And if you give it a nice burn, it's over. You know what I'm saying? The idea as Sachen fangen an as chumetz is a terrible situation. Because Sachen sind nicht chumetz. Ja, ich weiß schon, but I was being funny. Changing my name to Carlos right away. So, hold on a second. How would your smoker be chumetz? I'm waiting to hear. How would your smoker be chumetz? You're putting in a mean brisket. What about those nice briskets? Those cute briskets? Sweetie briskets, huh? I kicked that on in the hand. Brooklyn, I kicked that on in the hand. And he's like, the smoker doesn't seem kosher enough. Let's get that food on hinter. Oh, hold on. I think I found a cipher. Gerade, if there's another if there's another few minutes I can look and it will be better. And that's it, $150 later, you're good. Chime. Good morning, Chime. How you doing? They say, ze doen Yidden en ook de medulla Lubavitcher. En ik ga gered van de Hasidische part, you know? Not really Jews. Like, Bustin Remishagon. Also, if you grew up in a community wie Monroe or Tosh, you don't really see the outside world. So when you do get to see the outside world, you're like, hey, look at those fake Jews. They also go with hats, but it's like a bent up. And look at that guy, the same hat, just going downwards. Oh, that's why they call it a bend down. Hello. Mami, is er ook het Yid? Zo voels gaat niet dezelfde hit. You lived in Monroe, yes. See. Ik kom van de stuut. Ik kom van de heilige stuut. I have no idea, Brooklyn. Bribe. It's not bribe. It's oil for the machine. Your old videos is in BP, yes, because I gelernt in yeshiva in BP. Ik ben in yeshiva. Man, gehad voor jobs in Brooklyn. A whole statel, yeah, so definitely whole. Papisches, mamea. Ai. Nicht hat mich einer gefragt. Was hat Dayan? Mal gefragt, ob es eine Question wegen, ob es eine certain Sache wegen Shabbos. Und der Dayan hat nicht gekannt empfern, ja. Because of the society pressure. Meaning to say, just imagine a Dayan. Die bist 35 years old, bist a Dayan. In die empfers etwas, was man mag, ja. In echt, mag man, was sich nicht ausgeht oder whatever. Suchst dann ein. It's all about the money, Hebra. It's all about the money, sadly. Sadly, it's all about the money. It's not easy. It's not easy, sadly. No hate. Just for comic relief. Yes. No hate. Hate. Brooklyn, what's it hate? Okay. Hate. Das heißt hate. In 1945, ik ben hate. Ich meine, in the 1940s. Stam reden als alles ist... Man schmiest stam durch Sachen. Hate. Who got time for that? Hershey. Sally Hershey gewinnt. It's a regular day. I drank a little. Now I'm gonna go nap time. You know that video where the girl on the beach says, I wanna go to sleep. When? Now. Where? Here. And she just plops her head down. She goes to sleep. Protein hot chocolate. Gefühl protein hot chocolate is a devastating boogwai. Accidents waiting to happen. Kolatoiv. Shia, du hast da bessere Background, nicht besser. Wow. Hast da andere Background-Karte? I don't know. I don't think hate is a große Wort, is it? I'm just saying, like. Ich darf a mix, a background music mix. In die habe ich suggests. But ich will nicht etwas weinerlich, so jetzt kommt Peisach. You wanna be like semi-happy? We gotta entertain, we gotta keep the people up. Easy, your neshama belongs in Eretz Yisrael. Ooh, starke Wörter, not gonna lie. Sally, strong words. Strong words. Me, hold it up. Nice. Hold up is good. Jim. Wo ist das? Frauen haben nicht keine Schumme. Jim is coming in hard. Alerted here under 07. Zieh billig von mir. Von der... I despise the bank who has my mortgage. No hate. Okay. Izzy, it seems like YouTube hates you. It just seems like, but we'll have to check in to see. Do they really hate you? Shia, man kann schon nicht gewohnt werden. If we find out she's a buchet, there's no regular about Sally. You get what I'm saying? Even if she's a bocher. Jim. Whoa, women are here just for men. Ze fühlt sich bequem zu sagen, Jim, Sadly, he's a dude from KJ. sitting in his SUV, In, no? in a Tahoe with tinted windows. Jacob. Hello and welcome. Ja, ich habe gesehen a short. Ich habe gesehen a short wegen. Ze komt a chazerische podcast. Yeah. Sally, do you hear that? The oilem gereizt. Oh, wow. Ben, good for you. Tjoe. Ik hoffe dat is Ik hoffe dat is gekauft als 8 shares. Good for you, good for you. I'm actually a Canadian goose. Oh, I have a friend, Sally, that hates geese from Canada. I told you. I told you, ich habe weggeworfen, kein Mike was umgekommen in the mail, if you know what I'm saying. Pa, 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 pa. De zogen told ich weiß nicht, wo die redst exactly, because wenn man macht de Schmies, und auch wenn man edit de Schmies, und auch wenn man postet, ist es nicht so, es gibt mich raus right away, so ich habe es nicht ausgehört. Let's play chess live. What, you want to see me lose all the time? I have no idea. Ich kenne the rules von the game, but wenn ich kann warten denken, wenn ich deep thinker nicht kann warten denken. In chess darf man kennen moves ahead. All the hate went into the geese. The goose and the geese. That on in the face. Sadly, kommt daran klar. Donna Marcus? Gotta go home, Jim. You gotta learn how to give Marcus. David. Hello, David. We were asking where you were before. How you doing? Good morning. How you doing? We were getting worried. Wie is dem David? Wie is dem David? Working. Good. Nice. I'm glad. Women are here to get Marcus from men? Wow. Phew. Everybody leaves the chat. Me and Jim have a conversation. So, how was your childhood? Did your father hit your mother with a belt? Oy vey. Huh? It was that terrible, huh? Jim, I'm joking. Pa 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 da pa da da pa da da da. Da 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 da. Doing the holy. Goed. Ik ga even naar aanchecken of we net. I was just about to sneeze, so vanaf kennen we doen de. Keno yam siach soy. Starfai kodesh ham shal shim lechu kri yeshu. Chime. I was watching on a big screen yesterday in the office. And that's always funny. That's always like an interesting situation. Kudosh, kudosh, kudosh. Kudosh, kudosh, dance zusammen. Just imagine, Sally, he's in kindergarten. Or Kita Aleph Bais, or first grade, second grade, however he went. Be like, what are women here for? Everybody's like, then he's like, Makas, to gift patch. His teacher is like, 911. Yes, we do not have an emergency, but come pick up this kid ASAP. Do what that does, guy, please. Donut, okay? I feel for a minute is good. Who is Peggy? Ellie Weber gehad mit ihrer Podcast. Sie is a therapist. Or, whoa. Hold on. Tzitzik. Sie is a marital coach. Couch in English. She's a couch. No. A coach. Sexual relationships. Especially in the heimische communities. Die hat haar Instagram. And fragt her anonymous questions. And she has, I believe it's her. Yep, that fruitcake. Shulam bias. Shulam bias or the Shulam bet? And Nachi's going crazy. I mean to say is even like the questions. Was is bijna dat lieber neighbor? Was is bijna dat lieber schwäger? Was is? It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild. It's interessant dat het niet gaat kan pillow. Joking. Tiske de mitzvahs. Tiske mitzvah ein en zo ik niet zo met de mitzvah. Nee, ein na do vardo. Wieso sucht man den Nummern? Wally? Nein. Hello and welcome. What's Peggy's last name? I have no idea. Not something I would care about. Die schraubst du bij dezelfde woord. Hello. Weiß ich nicht. Greenfeld van Willy. Jim, ze macht zich eerlijk. Viggy votes. Votes a vos. Mach a poll for vos. Peggy Greenfeld van Williamsburg. Tiskele mitzvah. Maar zeggen ze het generoos golf naar zacht mensen. Because besides for the alle wegen wie ze me redt and alle buzzwords, there are people that don't know what they're doing. In a sad way. In a sad way, they don't know. Vaun. Oh, Vaun. Vaun. Okay, Vaun. Duvet, have a successful, awesome, lechtige, geschmacke, healthy, wealthy day. Go ahead and do that. If someone needs help, how can she be reached? And she charges on the hour. Ja, sie hat a facility. Du kannst sie treffen auf Instagram. Ich meine, sie hat ein Office. Und sie redet. Sie ist maßbar Sachen. Wasn't she on Ellie Weber's podcast? Yes, she was. Yes, she was. But it's all about the noise, it's all about the hack, it's all about the buzzwords, okay? It's all about the buzzwords. Ich knack nicht an game, I'm just saying. She doesn't know nothing, she's an addict to I'm not gonna jump on that bandwagon, Jim. I'm not gonna jump off that bag. Again, I'm not saying no, but I'm also not saying yes. Man darf addressen the issues. Man lernt nicht gehirrig aus, die ganze sich von bedroom adequacy. And how should a 19, 20, 25-year-old, 30-year-old, so doch kein relations, know anything? So wie wenn man fragt einen 80-jährigen da and a question wegen etwas technology oder etwas, he looks at you, he doesn't even know what you're talking about. Izzy, what's her Insta? I have no idea. Like it on Peggy. Ooh, Peggy. Hello, Peggy. I did make a joke whenever I say her name. De maandag. Had ik gisteren maar een review van Ellie Weber met ihr. I do make a joke. An off-color joke. Okay, but not from divorced women? I don't think it has to do with that. What a name, Peggy. Especially in her line. But, vicious. But, I'm laughing at my own jokes. Viggy positive vibes. I wish. By the way, it's such a compliment, but ich bin nicht echt a positive Mensch. It's just funny. Dark joke. Yes. Yoni Cohn. Good morning. Hello and welcome. Schön, dich zu sehen, du, Yoni. Was hat das zu tun mit a divorced woman? Bad relations with a woman has nothing to do with if she is divorced or not. Sie get the Husen classes uncensored, I would say. En ich meine, man darf es overhaul. Yoni, how's the weather in the UK? It's raining again. Big shocker. By the way, Yoni, ich habe gesehen, das geschickt wegen der eclipse sunrise. We're gonna take a look at it. I was supposed to take a look at it yesterday, but I was busy. I had a gig, and the next few days we'll listen to it and we'll go check it out. It's on the 29th. Beautiful spring day. Oh my God, England hot. Oiva. There's a 90-year-old guy in England walking up. Honey, what is this? Ah, something bright in the sky. Sir, that's what we call a sun. Listen to her and you will understand. We'll see. Shlomi Yoel Schnitzler. Good morning. Hello and welcome. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. And get me energy. SB. Hello and welcome. New York is cold. Hot is chilly. Hot is chilly. Para. Okay, wir können schreiben alle Moves. Darf gedenken, können schreiben alle Moves. Alles geht's. Hello and welcome. We were all worried about you. Wow, nice. Ze hebben alle gevraagd wie du bist. Ooh, wow. It's gonna be 80 in the weekends. Oh, right. Okay, 80 in the weekends I can take. Alles geht's to do. Tesla calls looking good here. He's gonna end up winning, the Tesla guy. People don't understand. Kijkt schon nicht für jetzt. Kijkt was auch später. But what are buying opportunities? Ich gewinne jetzt zu kaufen Tesla. Noch alt, technically. Wow, keep on the charts. What am I doing, Viggy? What am I doing? Yeah, welcome back, alles kids. Wie bist du gewesen? What's happening? Was on travel. Oh, nice. Sounds like English. I was on holiday. I was on, not vacation. I was on holiday. By the way, the 215 though, what a buy. What a buy. Is het ungefähr die alle gaps though. She. Ze vult dit zo'n day gap though. Next up, 320. 320. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. This is not financial advice, so please be very careful. The market effect nam alles wat die has. Dus gelijk visit die huis. Thank you. Just wanted to make that sure. BYD cars look nicer. The problem is mit andere cars. Yeah? Also haben andere regulations. So, things take time. Rivian, wie charge man a Rivian? And by the way, the ganze Tesla company, nicht the car. The car is just the means to get there. It's gonna be the robots. Sam, mach ich häusig für mich. Sam, mach häusig für mich. Du, siehst? Wenn es jump, darf es umfüllen. What is this jump? Thank you, alles good. I appreciate it. Lucid is nice too. Well, die wirst um $150,000 für eine Car. In ich kann ergens chargen. Machen ab few cars and nicht the goal. And nicht the kinds. Es ist mehr production. In Optimus, yes. Jeder Hose geht um my Optimus. Wie ist aber? Ah. So wie Peggy, yeah? Travel to Jerusalem, Antwerp, London, and now we're back in town. Nice. Good for you. Boom. Bim. Bam. Exactly. So man darf zicken mit Tesla. Good. Had the best charging stations. But Optimus robot is gonna be where the money is gonna be made. Jeder Hose guy to my Optimus. Every single house is gonna have it. In guy to the Tesla charging stations, meaning jeder eine guy will chargen bei ihm. Rivian geht rausgehen von Business, geht auch kaufen Rivian hat angelegt, investet das auch Geld in Off-Road Charging. Er ist auch kaufen. Sein Internet But the internet hat going to shitty with Tesla. Under companies. But Optimus is going to be everybody's going to have an Optimus. Why should you not have? Sally. Rivian is a good car, yes. But the company doesn't get production. Sally, we're not talking about a car. We're talking about a car company. We're talking about the car maker. Same difference. It's okay. Ba 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 ba. Continue your automobile manufacturing discussion. Says if I'm afraid after is everything good? Yes. You're like, something is not good. Something is not good. What are you doing? Versuch mal du, also ich habe I'm fine, everything is fine. Everybody relax. Everybody relax. Nice, Sally. I'm watching everything. I just can't be in discussion. Nice, David. But no pressure. No pressure, David. Tell you lost. We're here discussing Peggy. Okay. Sally with that. With the cuteness. Duvit is having a fight and he's like, I'll show you, and he's busy typing. Duvit, put down the phone and beat the living crap out of the other guy. I'm joking. I don't condone violence. Don't ever use violence. Only to protect yourself. And your family. And your... Yeah. But no. It was just comedic. The MLGO, ben a poor take, was a foot matter that up. Wow, give on their lines. Viggy, what are you coloring? What are you coloring? Yum, ba, da, la, 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 da, 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 la, da, 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 da. Yeah, 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 yeah. Vinny G. Hello and welcome here. I'm late. Don't send me to detention. Come on, Penny. Come on, Penny. And check me to detention. Easy, a funny part. Der Mensch, was gegangen ist in Guatemala, hat Masbe gewinnt. Also gegeben, sie haben gemacht einen Test. Sie haben gegeben für Kinder Power dort. Sie haben kennen 4 in der Klasse, die ältere Kinder. Ich habe right away gesehen, also haben gleich gepunished und gleich geschlagen. Because Kinder tieren, Menschen tieren, was man getan zu sein. Straight to detention, ne? Easy. Yeah, even if you don't mess up, even if it's a good way. Penny, even if it's us get gehandelt, you still have to analyze it and be like, okay, how good did I handle it? Wie heb ik het goed gehandeld? Van woens heb ik het goed gehandeld? Bana. I'll be back in a minute. Izzy. Go ahead do and enjoy. How about Zis and Lechtige Tog? A lot of luck with whatever you do. You're an amazing person, Izzy. Take that to the bank. Penny G, why did you get angry? Because that got triggered. Something evoked. In the bist ook het kenzaan. Bist ook het meint nicht a fact. I'm not saying it an effect. Could be you also went into that playbook in your head. How does your head know what to do when you do it? It doesn't. So, als ob man geactidiert, acts die auch das so. Which is normal. How else would you act? How else would you know? Brooklyn, but this nimmt auch etwas ab. Brooklyn is ook, whenever I get angry, I leave the room for 5 minutes, and if I'm still angry, I say something. But that also takes learning. That also takes a lot of koyach, as they say. Because when someone gets angry and he thinks he's right, he doesn't see it as anger. He sees it as in, what do you mean? Later, später kann man zurückreflecten and be like, oh my God, I was angry. Okay, Kinder haben eibig Tanas. Se du aber Tanas, was man kann verstehen. Wenn ein Kind juggelt Messers, in der Tat geht man so eine kleine Patchel mit a lesson. He might have Tanas, but when he's gonna grow up, he'll be like, yeah, you're right, Tati. Man kann nicht juggeln Messers. Because Messers are dangerous. But no, let me do. He did something, he threw down a bottle, and you beat the living schnitzelburger out of him. Well, that doesn't make any sense, does it now? Because if he would have done like Brooklyn, walk away, and stay cool, calm, and collective, then less of PTSD. We don't want more PTSD. We want less PTSD. Benzog Tesla calls are printing. Nice. Whoa. Print, baby, print. Solange deze green, heb ik geschmeichel auf mijn poenim. Wow, good for you. Good for you, Ben. Hope you're raking it in. Hope you're raking it in. Sally was thinking, let the professional talk. Let the professional talk. Because it's all about my validation. It's all about survivability. You get validation means you bist accepted in the circle. Accepted in the circle means you'll survive the day. Yay, genes have won. That's how it goes, Penny. It's very simple. It says okay. Jeder darf een hug en jeder wil heren als is okay. Sally tersmaals bezaan meer in big words terminology. I remember when I became an EMT, I was so happy I know a big word. Stethoscope. You know, it's the small things in life. You're laughing now, Sally, but I was walking around with big shoulders, be like, somebody like, yeah, what's going on? I was like, what do you mean? Stethoscope. Yes. You trained as an EMT? I was trained, yes. Yes. I was top responder in 2015, I think. And not Hatsula, but EMS. I did it for 3 years. No, that's not well. I'm a professional. One of my biggest problems what I had, besides for spelling, if I ask the patient the name, so from asking the patient the name till writing it down on the chart, I totally forgot the name. So imagine I pick someone up. Ma'am, what's your name? Stacy. I go back to the paper and I'm like, Melissa? Wasn't that? Do it. Thank you. Schmeichel. Ha 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 ha. Good morning. This looks smear Sally. I had to live with that. And then if the patient gave me an ID, oh, that was so good. That was so good. Also, I didn't get really well trained in. By me, how it works, things have to click in my head. No matter how many times you tell me, my head doesn't pick it up. Or might not, or it's like a lottery. And some people were very rude. So it took me like about a year to get cleared. Yeah. Boss Nation, Lebedik. You know. It's the small stuff. I remember one of the when I became an EMT, meaning to say when I passed the test, there were people that didn't like it. Whatever, so they were giving me attitude. One call we went to, they were like, okay, so Viggy, what do you need? So I kept saying things you need. And they said, what if she fell stairs? I still remember that call. I brought everything up. Frag ich habe geschleppt. Die ganze Ambulance habe ich geschleppt. Even the tire rod habe ich geschleppt. Viggy, how do you handle all the trauma? I don't. That's why when you see me running around 12 o'clock at night, be like, oh my God. Be like, that's how I handle it. I'm joking. I'm joking. This is how I handle it. No, one of the reasons I left, besides for the name, is because when you do it for a while, it becomes a job. You lose the touch. Xanax? No, Brooklyn, I stay away from that. Viggy quit YouTube. That's it, of it? Viggy quit YouTube? Can you imagine I just log off now and I walk off? Somebody will ask me, why did you quit? And be like, look, Dovet clearly said, Viggy quit YouTube. So when you go to a lot of calls, it becomes like a job. Like you don't really know. You lose touch, but not for me. And it was very hard for me. One of the things is to see other people treat patients like a tire rod, you know? Chabad a certain cultness tzimach pinny. So, meaning to say, I still remember certain calls, but it's not the way you think. You sometimes appreciate life more. There are some calls that will change your life forever, like will drastically change it. I remember the few good people that were there. Shout out to Ellie and a shout out to Shimmy. How it works is when you join a EMS corps, you become an EMT, but you're still in training, and they train you in on the call, on calls, and then after a while, they see that you know how to do it, and you handle a call by yourself, and you become cleared. So one of the few before, not few, one of the calls that we had, I remember them walking up and saying like, okay, Viggy, you take the call. It was a woman who fell downstairs. It seemed easy. So I get there, I see the husband and wife embracing themselves, an older couple. And I'm not going to be graphic. And they were intoxicated, so didn't feel any pain. And as I go close, I'm like, okay, so what seems to be the issue? They uncover her leg, and her leg didn't look anything like a leg should look. I automatically opened up the CO2 can, the oxygen can, and I inhaled big because I was lightheaded. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. Yeah, oi, was for her. Dovet. I almost fell down. I still remember. I was like crouching down to the floor. I pick up the jacket, and there it was. And then Shimmy was screaming at me. Not in a positive way. I took it in a positive way. Because I tested it for a pulse. And it had a pulse. So Shimmy's like, Viggy, do you feel, is there a pulse? And I was like, is there a pulse or not a pulse? I was like, yeah. Pulse it is. That was one. But in my regular life, bin ik gezien worse things. Meaning to say, okay, no, they woke me up because I was an EMT. They knew I was an EMT, so they woke me up. Who remembers that guy who passed away in the toilet in Muncie? Alcohol. Well, I pulled him out of the toilet. The bathroom. Ze is echt losing a patient because you don't have a connection. Yitzi_S. Hello and welcome. Meaning to say there's not... I know a EMT that walked into a 911 call and a bookshelf, a kid was climbing up a bookshelf and it fell. He was devastated. I mean, he had to go to therapy and he took a break. Like a lot of things like that will change your life. Will make you colder a little. Will make you appreciate life. It's nicht für jedem. It is not for everybody. I remember we went onto the throughway. Sarangi came in a MVA, motorcycle MVA. It was next to the garden state. We pick him up. And he didn't have any broken bones or anything. He just slid on the road. So I asked him, from 0 to 10, 10 is the worst pain I ever felt. He was like, 1,000,000, he said. Man, was he shivering. He was waiting for that endorphins or whatever it's called. Man, was he shivering. I had a couple of motorcycle accidents that I picked up. There was an old guy on Spook Rock Road. He broke his rib. He slid on the motorcycle and he fell forwards and he broke his rib. That was one guy. Then right next to Good Sam, a motorcycle sideswiped a car and his foot got jelly belly. All right, enough talk about the EMS. We're going to leave some stories, juicy stories, another time. It never ends well? Not true. But if you do have an act, it depends on states, by the way. Some states, areas respect motorcycles, some don't. Yes, I've done some stuff in my life. I think life is about experiences. And if you could experience more things, the more you live. Not having things. Not showing off to your friends. Doing things with your friends. Experiencing. Learn how to rock climb. Learn how to ride a horse. Speak Mandarin. Eat oranges. Not smoking things. What do you mean? What do you mean? Somebody that speaks Mandarin eats a Mandarin. Does it mean he's eating his language? Life is all about ignoring people. All right. All right, Dover. Should we ignore you? especially people who are negative. Fortunately, lots of family members are in that category. Well, when somebody's negative, ich bin sehr ein negative Mensch. As much as I know me, ich bin negative. But es ist alles nur protection. Negative is about protection, if you really think about it. Kind of plant and shows, really. It's going to be good, and then we're going to have ice cream, and then that's like a plan, yeah, but doesn't have to be that, but bad. When somebody's negative, meaning to say, he has to plan. Okay, I'm going to do, there's going to be issues here, we're going to do that, it's going to be issues. It's all about survivability. Surviving the top. Do it. Do it. Das included me wo du willst. Babies don't have the option to talk. You have language. I can use it. Did you lose the fight of it? Did they call you fat or something? Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. For what? I don't know. Wow, the MLGO reikt me af. Ze reikt me af, I'm not gonna lie. And why I didn't see it, I don't know. What a piss off. Die komt eraan met messages. Doe die komt eraan met messages. Stop, de rest is kloot. Red kloot. Sally, I'm sure if somebody's mad all the time, they're just mad because that's how they feel comfortable. No? Wouldn't you say so? Wow, de MLGO reikt me af. Yeah. If you have to stop it, then you work on it. You work on it and die tries nicht sie werden influenced. Wenn die kickst doen as is nur a mechanism. Nice trade in Tesla. Nice, good for you. Wenn die siehst as is nur a mechanism, nennt man es so anders than negativity. Like if you see someone negative, be like, oh, this is the way how you deal with things. Got it. Family you cannot cut out. Yes, one of those things. Familia is was je kind mit. Wow, ik ben officially pissed. Officially! Why the hell heb ik niet gezien de MLGO? Oh, maar dat is niet nemen, Sally. I take the blame, Viggy. No blame to be taken. Nice, Dove. Take a breather, Dove. Take a breather. Relax. Let the brain collect the facts. And that's it. Plus reden wir mit Viggy. Yeah, he doesn't want to get Sally. He doesn't want to get dragged in. You know, you guys stand outside Simcha and die treft dan negative cousin. You're like, damn it. That's why I have an alarm on my phone. After 10 minutes, I set it and I'm out of there. But it's a place you can arbeiten. If you know that it's a negative place, if you know it's a place where you got to work on yourself, you look at it as more of a art, more of a coloring book. Okay, my guy trying Hansi staying in the lines, you know? Brooklyn, manarische kop. It's just manarische kop. Ik doe zo bijna dat Android. Ken je schon lang 10-minute timer? Come on, come on. That was some thought out jukes there. Gewijs, a serious conversation, but I had to do that. Okay, sitzen du bei MLGO is not gonna help me calm down. Warum habe ich es nicht gesehen? What a piss-off. Apple schmapple. 12. Okay, but realistically, 12:35. Penny, I didn't geschickt a video. To be clear, not wife or children. Yeah, we understand. Family as in when the guy says Simcha. I mean, if you only see your family, your immediate family when you go to Simcha, I think there's other issues at hand. I'm officially sponsoring $500 for the day. We are making something together. Oh, nice. If you find something, you'll get $500. Brooklyn, that's the beschreibende message. Because we'll find something. You didn't say good or bad, you know. In a legal contract binding us together about that. Maze Aluf. Okay, this new by MLGO is not gonna help me. It's just gonna make me pissed. Oh, okay. And by the way, now you also as a lawyer have to say, what does bad mean? The word bad? Dafka, your site? And if one website is beglauwnisch bad, huh? It's a good website. See Brooklyn? Man kann contracten. Oh, einer weiß, was geschehen mehr mit den $100,000. Geverman Brooklyn mit der Website. If anybody knows, check it out. A training website is not bad. Exactly. Alright, Gevra. Ich dacht, wir machen gerade, du kommt der ganzen Tug, ich weiß von Hand, wie heißt der? Matas darf kommen. Es ist Donnerstag. Oh my God. Kalt. Aber wo seid ihr meint nicht gar nicht. Tomorrow is the day. Viggy delicious. I'm making money tomorrow. Nice, good for you, David. Okay, we got to upload the music slowly. Kind of got nicht hin. Aber warum me? No, we gotta make it sure. Ik ga niet begladen als ik Rika roep doe de volume, hè? Mach es kinzisch. Alright. Hebra. Sie gekommen der Zeit. Wir darf sich scheiden. Wir darf sagen goodbye. Keinem nicht easy. It never gets easier. Well, what can you do? Ich will sagen, ich gehe für jeden, was du gewähnt für die ganze Zeit, für die kurze Zeit. Wir kommen auf eine andere Tab. Und auf eine andere Tab haben viele gemacht mit YouTube eine Tab, aber ich meine dir. Thank you. I really do appreciate everybody joining in. Machen dann sehr free mit Viggy. Ich gehe für alle Likers, für alle Sharers, für alle Commenters, für alle Subscribers. Und für alle Subscribers, die kennen nicht werden ein Member. I really do appreciate you as well. Ich gehe für alle Members. Ich gehe für jeden, was so gegiftet Members. Einer hat Hand gegiftet an Membership. Let me scroll back, let me see if I remember. Auf das was haben. Ich meine, sie gewähnt Sally, auch gegeben a gifted membership. Thank you for that. Housekeeping. Donnerstag. Ja. 8 eigen Hand nach live. Anything else? Nope. Thank you all for being here. Until next time. Stay kind to one another. Peace.